Hoy, hindi nyo rin maipagkakailang, parang ano ko, blooming ngayon. Blooming! Ay, hindi kasi blue and blue and blue. Diba? Parang, alam mo, ang light ng life ngayon. Ay, knock twice. Knock thrice, knock. Kasi mamaya naman, umiiyak na naman akong like, hindi mo alam. This is the view. Ay, bangit. I mean, ganito kasi yung point of view. Look at that mango tree. Mango tree? Mango tree. 3, 2, 1. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Yeah. Siguro magliligpit na ako ngayon. Or magmamaganda. Ang pangit mo. Guys, sa akin na lang kaya ako. Ay, shoutout pala to. Kasi, di ba naalala niyo yung nag-idea ako ng hikaw na ano, yung napili ko, yung sobrang hirap niya malak and mabuksan. Then, nasira siya. Like, Asian yun. So, ayun. And this, deal kasi namin ni Ali. So, originally sa kanya na to, pinamanas sa kanya. Pero, deal na talo siya. So, pero syempre, bibigay ko din sa kanya. Tsaka nagbabalak ako na regaluhan siya. Hindi naman ito makikita, so, still surprise. So, anong gusto niyo sa akin? Baliw. I mean, anong gusto niyo? Oh my gosh, ngayon ko lang nakita ninyo. Kalbo na ang avocado tree namin. So, since, dito na din tayo sa terrace, I'm gonna show you. Actually, mas maganda to yung nakaraan, nung hindi pa kami nagpanggasan kasi, alam ka siya, girl! Yeah. Ngayon, pakita ko sa inyo ang tuyot na tuyot kong ang palaya. Like, look at that. Oh my god, you can, look at that. Yellowish. Like that. Hinintay ko yung mag-18 para mapitas ko. Pero yun, maagang namatay. So, look at that. Yellow na siya. Tignan mo, uy, parang still alive yung generation. So, take ko yan ng, nakalibo siya, like, ano to, sampagan? Sabay ito ba, girl? So, ayan, take 2 sa pag-rate sa kanya, like, alam niyo nangyari na to kasi. I love you, babe. Like, malagas yung mga dahon niya. And eventually, kahit isang ganyan, kahit makaganon lang siya ng hangin, like, gaganon, girl, lagas kung lagas, parang buko yan, yung parang, uy, ang dami ng kalbo. Pero still, may roots pa naman siya, and don't give up. You will gain some fats. So yeah, this, I don't know, this shish. Oh my god, the mango tree is growing. Like, dead mas sa basher, dead mas sa init, dead mas sa heat index, dead mas sa walang dileg. Boy na boy. I don't siya eh. And live it up. Alam nyo, clear out talaga. Parang ang hangin. Oh my, I mean, mahangin naman nung may halaman na avocado. Don't, I know you're listening to me, girl. No offense, pero medyo humangin today. Siguro dahil nag-elevate yung ating mango tree. Nag-step up siya. And yeah, yung flow, airflow, maganda. And today, the snake plants, andito ka, Beshi. Yan, si Beshi, nag-cut ng bangs. Yeah, ito pa yung alagad niya, alipores niya. I don't know what's this, pero I think it's herbs or I don't know. Alubati, hello, good evening to you. And I think that's kalabasa. Kalabasa! So guess what, guys? I may look like I do not have money, but we do have money tree. Yes, you heard it right, girl. Money tree. This. Yun naman yung money tree namin, ang dami. Sana maging coins kayo, kahit coins! Uy, nagiging ano na siya, 500 bills. So, another one, Beshi, inaano yung money tree ko. That's why hindi nagiging coins. Look at this, golden flakes, golden leaves. Oh my God, yung kapatid ko, tinatawa na ako ng, ano niya, tropa niya, like, hindi nga ako nakikita ng mga kapitbahay namin. Yung mga bata, tinatawa na lang ako. But anyways, this is my job. Shall we continue? Okay, I heard you, and we are going to continue. Then, sa washer, just like the mango tree, like, this is my comfort. And today, there are workers, laborers, who sacrifices to feed their family. This is, I don't know, I think this is a bamboo tree. Bamboo tree, I don't know Don't judge the book by its cover. So, this is sampalok tree. I'm expecting you, na magkaroon ka na ng children. Kasi, ang tagal mo na nandito sa kasiyahan. Look at that. Look at this stem. Ito yung stem. Ito yung poste. So, I guess, baba ko na lang kayo kung nagbunga na ang paghihirap natin ng mga sakripisyo. Ayun, sana, I know you're listening, girl. I know you're crying right now, but listen. This is just an era. It will be back being diva, okay? So, ayun. Anyways, pag tuyot sila, walang delay banla ng isang linggo. Ikaw ba naman, wala kang delay ng isang linggo. Tuyot ka talaga. Diba? So, yeah. This is the day, I don't know, day 2, I guess na. Hindi, day 1 kasi ngayon ako nag-film. Yeah. Day 1 para i-restore yung ating kasiyahang film. Look at those tiny little granule. Like, oh, that's my baby. Actually, that's my mom's baby. Mama ko lang, hindi moms kasi wala pang tita. Ching, 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 ching. Hep, hep, hep. I forgot to. Ang pangit ko pala. Like. So, ayan, dito ulit ako sa aking bahay. It's been a long time since I touched this. Touch what? Touch me not. Touch me not. Touch, baby. Like that. Gusto niyo ba turuan ko kayo paano mag-fold ng undies? Like underwears? Let me think. Andito ba yung utak mo, be? Dito sa puso ko. Oh my God, that's dirty. So, ayun, natravel ko na kayo sa buong bahay namin. Nakita niyo yung pantalon niya. Nakalimutan sa tanggalin. Pero, parang okay na to. Hindi kasi pwedeng perfect lagi. Ito na, perfect na nga to. Tapos makikita niyo pa perfect niyo sa background ko. Ano na lang matitira? Diba? Kailangan maging balance like sa accountancy. Diba? Meron tayong ledger. Kikita niyo. Andito yung debit credit. We're gonna analyze it. Okay? Mamamatay ka doon. Either mamamatay ka sa calculus o balancing. So, doon tayo sa computer science. That's why, think positive. Wala pa sa college, mababalin na. Ganyan talaga. Ganyan pag in love. Pero masarap ko dito. Hindi na natutuwa. Ang pangit ng humor mo. Sa classroom, may batas. Bawal naman na. Tuturuan ko kayo paano ayusin yung buhok nyo. Una, hanapin yung hale o hate. Hate. Letter A, letter B, o letter C. I see you! Like ganon. So, enough with the drama. Tapos, kunin nyo yung buhok nyo and gonna slick behind. When I say behind, it's the back of something. This is the reference, and this is what you're gonna do. What you gonna do with that? So yeah, and you're gonna call like parang pinarotes, kinalag, click, oh my gosh, lol. So again, this is the realest, so you're gonna find your, yung ingay ng hate? At, Moises? It's not funny, Pia, it's not funny, okay? Basta hatiin mo yung buhok mo, do what you want. I get what you need. So yeah, and ayusin mo naman, suklayan mo. Kahit huwag mo na suklayan sa dulo. That's my routine. Hindi kasi na sinusuklay sa dulo, dito lang. Kasi dito lang makikita sa picture, dito hindi. Kaya makikita. And then you're gonna, parang gagawin siya sa section, kahit ayaw nila sa isa-isa. And yeah. So this is the final look. Welcome to Pacific. I'm here. Bakit mag-PA na lang ako? Ano yung PA? Ate Pia. Flight attendant. Let me know. So, how can I assist you today, ma'am, sir? You gotta listen, bro. Listen to me. Because when I say instructions, you gotta listen. Because after that announcement, we will be having quiz. Yes, quiz. To know if you listen and understand what I told you. Alam nyo, sa totoo lang, sa sobrang dami-dami ko, wait lang, parang ang pangit lang. Yan, sa totoo lang, alam nyo naman sa totoo lang, dadaling kita sa aking palasyo, dadaling hanggang lang bago ang lahat na... Let me see the view. Let you see. You will see. O di wag, sumilip ka na lang. Bawal sumilip, pero may pagkapasaway ako eh. Kaya pag nasilip mo na, shh ka na lang. Ang pangit ang humor mo ngayon, Tia. You used to have like a complex humor and now you are being persuaded by the stands, by the worldly... Uy, sa totoo lang, hindi ko na alam paano ito tapusin. So, babay na po. Maraming salamat. Sana nag-enjoy ako at wala akong pake kung hindi ka nag-enjoy. Kasi this is my vlog. You may do also your own vlog. I will support you as long as it's a good content. Of course, the fact, are you thinking? Like I'm thinking, what's your sweet? Do you have a tendency to leave some people on? Yeah. Ayoko na magsalita. Goodbye. Yeah.